Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, and I'm just going to do this voiceover here to tell you guys what I'm doing. Right now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the concealer type stuff or corrector, and I'm using it under my eyes and on my eyelids for primer. We're covering up any veins or darkness under my eyes or on the inside. Now we're going to be using this Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1. It's like a foundation serum. It is very sheer coverage, and I will show you how I build up the coverage with some powder in a little bit, but I'm going to blend that out. I'm not doing any swiping motions. I don't want any swirls or streaks on my face, so I just kind of pounce my brush around on my face. You can use a beauty sponge as well, but I wanted to get the most coverage that I could from this. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk, and I'm going to be using that as my inner corner highlight, my nose highlight, and my brow bone. And you really can just tap this out with your finger. I really do love this product. It's so easy to use. I just use this in these areas, and then use a brush lightly to blend out, or your finger, like I said. And I can't reach the inner corners of my eyes with these nails, so I'll be using a brush. Now I will be setting my face very lightly with the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. When I say lightly, it's just super light to take away any of the tackiness that is left from the serum. Just want a smooth finish so everything else will blend better. And here is where that coverage comes in. What I just showed you was the MAC Set Fix Plus powder, and I just lightly did some coverage, just stamped it all over my face for more coverage. And what I just showed you was the Jouer Soft Focus, actually setting powder, but I love using this as bronzer. It's such a soft focused powder that I just ended up using it for bronzer instead, and I liked it way more than using it as an under eye setting powder. Now we will be going in to the Scott Barnes blush palette. I use these colors. They suit me best. It's not too pink, not too peach, has a good undertone. Maybe sometimes when I want to warm up the blush look, I'll use the yellow, but the two highlighters in there are really good toppers as well. Toppers as in putting it on top of my blush. As you can see, I only dabbed in each one. This is a product that you want to actually build up, because you go in too heavy-handed and it's going to be a mess and very opaque. Now I'm going to set my face with this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. We do this so we can melt all the products together. This is the new palette by Colourpop. It is called Smoke and Roses. Perfect for Valentine's Day, perfect for every day, in my opinion. These colors are beautiful. And the shimmers, of course, are gorgeous. I don't have any of my lights on. Let me turn one on so you can see. Now you can see. Yes, that's more like it. This palette is beautiful, and that's what we're going to be using today. Sorry about the noise in the background. That would be my fan. I don't know about you guys. I just cannot get ready without my fan on. And remember guys, at any point, if you like this first shade and just want to go with that, you could stop at any time, put your mascara on, and let it be the look. Also, I always wanted to mention that anytime that I use a shimmer, you don't have to use a shimmer on your lids. You can go in with a matte shadow, any color, a lighter color, a white color, tan color, or if you have lighter eyes, really the same color you put in your lid. You just make it for you. Makeup can be taken off, can be redone. Make it for you. I do not know what's going on with my lighting. It keeps going dark. I turned these two lights on. It seemed to help a little bit. It got dark again. See? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go into a little bit darker color pink. If you notice, I went with a super light pink. Then I went with like maybe 2 shades darker, and I'm putting it here and here and connecting in the middle. Now I'm going to go with a little bit darker pink, and I'm going to use the same brush. And just keep it even further on the outside. It'd be real cool if this stopped getting darker so you could see. I'm not sure what is going on here. And it lightens up. What about if it's always done that and I've never known? For people with hooded eyes, I will do a video on that, but I actually do have hooded eyes myself. The reason it looks like that I do not is because I am actually holding my eyes, like my eyebrows up more. I guess I have a habit of doing that while I put on my makeup or my eyeshadow. But when you do certain eye looks, you want to actually relax your eyes so you can ignore the fold in the eye and you can have more lid space. Bring down the bottom, just on the very outside corner. Just kind of blend it out. Okay, for a shimmer, might as well pick a pink one. It is Valentine's Day. Oh gosh. Oh God. I picked up enough for... Now that we're here, I'm gonna take the lightest shimmer and put it in the center. As you can see, I put it right above my pupil and it just brightens up the eye. The center of the center. And then we're gonna go back to our small brush and deepen up the corners again. I think I'm gonna use a purple. Just the very, very outside. Since this is a semi-halo look, you definitely want a small brush for the inner corner right here. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off camera because I am no good doing it on camera and it's still uneven. But I'm gonna put in my waterline, some white. I don't really do this a lot, but it opens up your eyes. Wow, who's racing out there? Every time I do it, I'm unsure if I like it. Every time. Maybe if I darken the bottom. It's trying to race me out there. Trying to get me to pull up. Just kidding. I don't know. Does it open my eyes more? I'm not sure. Does my hair look a mess? Yes. Let me know down in the comments if it makes my eyes look bigger. I mean, who even said I wanted big eyes? You know? I'm just gonna roughly do my brows because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to use this palette. And by roughly, I mean on point. I'm just kidding. Y'all have no eyebrows. Like, I know I've said it before, I'm sure. Like, what? Oh my God. Do y'all realize like how much eyebrows do for the face? I don't think you understand. I'm just lightly doing this. I'm not tugging if it looks like it's tugging. I don't have an excuse like, oh, I used to overpluck when I was younger. No, I just never had eyebrows. And like, I say that because like they're blonde. And then when I got pregnant, boom, no more eyebrows. I mean, it was just like, I filled them in every single day. I mean, I fill them in every day unless I'm not wearing makeup because they go with my face if I don't have makeup on, but like they just get washed out when I put on makeup, so I have to just bring them back to life. Sometimes you'll catch me, you know, paying closer attention to what I'm doing, but you know, or being more precise, they usually end up looking the same, so that's that. Okay, so mascara, and I wanted to show you guys a technique to do with lashes if you're not comfortable with them. I really don't want to put on lashes today, but I do want to show you guys this. If you're not, you know, you have trouble putting the strip lash on, you can cut it in half and just do the outer part, and it makes like a little pretty cat eye wing effect, if you will. So let me look and see if I can find some. Y'all, when I haven't put mascara on in a few days and then I put it on, like, I never re-dipped into my mascara in like, I mean, do we even want false lashes? No. Look. And this isn't like just the mascara. Like, I have several that I like, but it's just like my lashes, and I use a lash serum, and I'm pretty sure that's it, you know, because like, wow, that's good. But the mascara I did use today was the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eye Mascara. I also like Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. I also like Superhero It Cosmetics. I also like the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. It looks like a telescope. All those. Oh, can't forget about this one. It's the Roller Lash by Benefit. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and put this on so you can see. I've got to be like in a mirror. I don't even know if you guys can see, because like up in the mirror. And I'm trying to not get them to touch my upper lid. And it stopped recording on me. I'm still trying to fan them out. There. So there's the mascara. Let's put that back over there. Okay, so I'm not gonna do false lashes. Yeah, there's that. Here's my hair. Let's throw on a lipstick. Let's hope that this goes. Probably not. No. Let me swatch it. No. Where's that cloth? Let's see. Come on. Should we just go with this? What is this? Should we? Shall we? Oh, I got something on right now. 1 second. Okay, we're gonna go with this. Oh my gosh. Just straight in. No lip liner. What is that off of? I gotta go above. I can tell I still have lip oil on. That's pretty. I can tell. Okay, if you have lip oil on and you try to take it off and then put lipstick, it's gonna ruin the lip. Like, it's not gonna go on as smooth. So here's the finished look. Using the Colourpop Smoke and Roses palette. I wanted just to give you a little cute Valentine's look since it is coming up. Of course, everybody wants to go straight to red, but don't forget about your pink and purples. Like, pinks and purples, just, they do something else. They do something just romantic and sweet. Red is like the, what's that look called? Yeah. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. Follow and subscribe if you want to get notified of any future notifications. Should I take this hair down? Probably not. Just let the extensions and all show. Just let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.